All right, so I have a Husky screwdriver right here that I just got right here. It has a nice grip on the back, nice rubber going on right here. And here is the top of it. It says magnetic slotted. Okay, so this is magnetic right here. And it says slotted plano. So whatever that means, plano. Lifetime warranty. So I'm gonna go ahead and open this up. I don't know how to pull this. Why do they make things so complicated? So I'm gonna go slide it off. See if that works. All right, so I slid it off. This is 5/16. I'm gonna go ahead and put this to use really quick. I'm gonna put this to use and see how it works right here. So let me go ahead and get started with that. So what I'm gonna be doing with this is I'm gonna be turning off the water supply to a shower, okay? So let me go ahead and use this.